This might be the most important video of them all. If you only do this, what I'm gonna share with you daily and show you right now, you're gonna succeed. You want to add daily a few people to your pipeline, to your list. Secondly, you want to reach out to or follow up with 5 people per day. You're gonna then chat with them and get on calls with them and talk to them. So, if you only do this, manage your sales pipeline, right, of who you're talking to, and then tracking your numbers of the work that you do, you're gonna succeed. And I'm gonna show you in this video a very simple tutorial of what you need to do daily. How to add people to the CRM and manage the pipeline, how to reach out to people, and how to put your numbers down daily when you are doing this work. If you only do the work, you're gonna succeed. How to add 5 people right now to the list, 3, 4, 5, or how to keep adding people regularly to your list. And I'll give you an example right now live. You're gonna go to your CRM and you're gonna click add contact. And now you're gonna think, who is a person that I know of? Maybe they follow me, maybe they interacted with my content, maybe I worked with them in the past, maybe I work with them for free, or who is the person who would fit into my membership perfectly? And I'll write that person down. And I'll write her name, Jessica Smith or so, and I'll create now this person here. See, I just added one person, and now she's part of our contacts list of a few other people. You're gonna need to master the idea of opportunities, right? We don't want people to be just in the contacts section, but we need them to be in the opportunities section, so we are taking people from left to right when we're gonna talk to them. And that's what I'm gonna focus with you a lot on today, okay? Jessica needs to land under opportunities as well, right? Because imagine, here will be a bunch of different people later on with different sorts of tags, but we are not talking to everyone. To some of them we are just sending emails out to, but to other ones we chose them to reach out to them because they are a little warmer, right? And you can open that contact and you come here and you tag this person outreach, because I created an automation for you that it creates an opportunity automatically, right? And she landed now under opportunities and membership sales pipeline, and she's now here. Now we're gonna be able to reach out to her as part of our next step of this daily routine. Another matter of how to make people to come here, right, is that you can add an opportunity, and if you know who you want to add, like you search for, I don't know, Sophia, and you create that person under outreach as well. You create her here. So now Sophia appeared here now. And by the way, if you just added Jessica to your outreach list, you're gonna go to your tracker and increase this from 4 to 5, because you just added one more person to your contacts pipeline list. Now your goal is now to reach out to these people, and that's what you're gonna do as part of the second step of the daily routine. And you're gonna reach out to Sophia, okay? It's good that you know where she's at. Let's say she's a Facebook friend, or we have her email or so, right? Here, right? You can then click on her, and I'm gonna pretend that I'm sending an email out right now because it's a fake contact, right? But so we'll do the subject and say, can we talk on Zoom or so, right? Or something. You need to know this person a little bit, right? And then you copy the script to here and you adjust it a little bit, right? Imagine that is your already pre-adjusted script from before, and connect here, say, hey, Sophia, we have not talked for some time, but I thought of you as we worked so well together last year. And then you go, I created a support group community on how to achieve weight loss goals or whatever, blah, blah, blah. And then you send an email out. We'll not do that because it's a fake contact. And this just increased our number. We reached out to the first person, and then you move this person who you just asked further here, right? She's gonna then respond and she's gonna say, yes, I would be open to go on a call. And then you're gonna be like, okay, cool, here is the scheduling link, let's confirming the time. And after she schedules a call, now we have scheduled a call with that person, and we're gonna go and talk to that person. And now let's say we have scheduled a call with Sophia. And now you're gonna be able to go on a call with her and enroll her into your program. Now I'll give you another example now of what's gonna happen all the time as well, right? For example, imagine that these people, we are already talking to them and receiving their replies, And imagine you just asked James that same email question, outreach question, right? But he didn't get back to you. Okay, what counts as a daily activity number as well is following up with people. So if James didn't come back to you after 3, 4, 5 days, because your job is either to delete this contact from here, get them out of here if they don't respond, or get their response to move them forward, right? So we'll have 2 examples here. James did not respond to us yet, but Henry did not book a call with us yet, right? But they responded for the first time. So we're gonna need to follow up with both of them. We're gonna click on James or so, or we're gonna go to Facebook or Instagram, wherever we are chatting with them, or we send an email and we gonna be following up with him. We're gonna say something very simple. I wrote it down here. Look, hey James, I have not received a reply from you. Let me know if you saw my email or my previous message. We'll just follow up once, maybe twice, I don't know, and then we'll not be too pushy. We'll stop and we'll remove them from the opportunities if they are not responding. Now, the other example is that someone didn't book a call yet or so, or didn't respond, or you didn't find time with them to go on a call. You will say, hey, last time we were not able to find time to chat or talk. Are you free tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern, for example? And so you want to follow up, because that counts as a daily number, right? On a daily basis, you will want to add people to the list and create new conversations, meaning reach out to those people or follow up with them, because then they're gonna respond to you, you're gonna chat with a few, go on calls with them, and you're gonna be able to sign your first, second, third, fourth person into your program, so you start being paid. Now we just followed up with James at first and then also Henry, so we're gonna increase this number from 5 to 7 in our tracker. Because of this activity, we will be able to potentially have an extra call with another person, so we can sign them for $97 per month into our membership program.